Hello everyone. Today we're going to be learning about how to delete multiple messages in Gmail, but not only delete them, but make them so you don't ever have to deal with them again. Now, a lot of times these Facebook, Instagram, other social media, whenever you sign up for the social media account, you'll automatically be prompted to enter your email, and that gives them their email, and so then they send you tons and tons and tons and tons of messages. And this happens on social media, these promotional things, from Pinterest and, some places you don't even know where they're coming from. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete them once and for all, and you'll never see them again. Never see them again. Now, you can log into each one of these accounts, right? You can log into each one and try to find the settings to get them to stop from emailing you, but who wants to put up with that crap, right? You just don't want this stuff, and so, you just need to end it once and for all. And so that's what we're going to learn about. Now, here we go. If we have this, for example, Indie Music Plus, all right? Now, notice that email address, info@indiemusicplus.com. Don't know how they got my email address. I don't even care. I just want them gone. One way to do it is I'll click on this and check mark beside the email that I don't want any more emails from. Up here, you'll see these three dots. You want to click more. See where it says filter messages like these? Click that. Now, it'll have here from to. We want to make sure that this has that email address. Let me just find this email address. info@indiemusicplus. All right. So let me go back here. So you notice whenever I check this and I click the three dots, and hold on a second here. I'm no longer getting the forward messages like this. So I'm going to click inbox, go back to promotions, and I'm going to tick this checkbox once again. I'm going to go up here and click filter messages like these. Now notice it doesn't have anything in the from address, but I'm going to right click and paste that email address, info@indiemusicplus.com. Okay. Now, I don't care what words it has in it, so I'm going to take it out. I just don't want anything from info@indiemusicplus.com because I don't even know how they got my email address. I don't even care. I just don't want to see them anymore, okay? So anything that comes from these people, I want to create a filter, all right? Number one, I want to delete it. And the number two, I want to also apply this to the 27 matching conversations that are already in my email inbox. So these two things, delete it, also apply to the 27 matching conversations. Okay? And then I'm going to click Create Filter, and watch the magic happen. Give it a minute or two. Give it a minute. Let me dismiss this here. Go to my inbox. Let's go back to promotions. Now look, did you see them disappear? They're all gone. So notice down here your filter was created. All right, now let's do that again. So here's Pinterest. Now I love Pinterest, but I don't want emails from them. I want, if I want to do anything with Pinterest, I want to log into Pinterest and take care of the stuff. So another way to create a filter where you just delete everything is come up here, you open the email, and then three dots, click on them. Oh, son of a bum. So we'll go back here again. I'm going to open the email once again and hit more. And where it says filter messages like these, there we go. Now, a lot of times whenever you do that, you'll have an email that has the from in here. Has the words. If it contains a word, you might want to create a filter with them. But I don't care about that. I'm just going to get that email address. So I'm just going to open this up again. And how I can get this email address is I could just highlight this right here. pinbot@info.Pinterest. Click copy. 3 dots. Filter messages like these. Notice that's gone again. Okay. For some reason, it has a habit of disappearing on you. So what you do is you click inbox once again. Go to promotions. Don't know what Google did, but now I can filter messages like this. Okay. So from paste pinbot@info.Pinterest.com. I don't care what words it has. Okay, because I want them all deleted. I don't even want to see them. I don't want to have to log into Pinterest.com, go find some place that I have to, mark them so I don't get notified. And I'm going to click Create Filter, delete it, and also apply to the other conversations. Create Filter. All right, now let's go back to Inbox, click Promotions, and voila, no more of those Pinterest. Now, what I want to show you here is like if we open this activity@notifications.Pinterest.com, see they have another email address. Okay, now there's a faster way to do this, and let me show you. Like all these promotional places that send me email, I don't want to go down there and do every one at a time. I just want to do them all at one time. So I can click select all over here. Then I come up to the 3 dots where it says more. Filter messages like these. Now notice I get all of them up here, right? All of them. And they separate the email addresses with a capital O and a capital R. And that recommendations at explorepinterest.com. Or your friends at blah, blah, blah. Don't care. Now, I don't care what the subject line is. I want to get rid of that. I don't give a crap what the subject line is. I'm going to click Create Filter. Confirm creating filter. Filter searches that contain special characters may have unexpected results and are not recommended. Do you still wish to continue to the next step? Click OK. Now I want to delete it and also apply it to filter to matching conversations. Click Create Filter. And now, in the future, when these same people send me these bullcrap emails, I'm not going to get plagued or get my time wasted by trying to go back and delete everything. So that's what I love about Gmail. It can make you more efficient. And this, of course, is all about getting rid of the emails that you don't want to have bothering you. So let's go back to Inbox and let's go to Promotions. And now we have a whole set of other ones that we want to get rid of too. So, okay. Now it just applied it. It just applied it. So we have all these other promotions. You know, these are some clients, good people. They write good content, but I don't have to read. I don't have the time to read everybody's newsletter, right? So I just great articles, but I just don't have time to read it. So I'm gonna collect filter messages like these once again. Now notice I'm getting all of these emails up here with separated with or, okay? And I don't care what the subject line is. Now if I left this in here, honey, we're home, in the subject line, then it would only look for those emails that had this subject line in here. But I don't care what the subject line is, so I'm going to leave it blank, okay? So all it has to do is match these email addresses. I don't want any email addresses from any of these people. Okay? Click Create Filter. I want to delete it, and I also want to apply it to the 49 matching conversations. Once again, I'm going to click Create Filter. And like I said, it's not that you're trying to be mean or anything. It's just what you got to be efficient with your time. Yeah, you have to be able. It has to make sense. So, for example, the social media accounts. If you think about this, you sign into those social media accounts to check the messages. Why do you need to check them twice? Why do you have to have it sent to your Gmail or your email, and then you go read the same message whenever you log into the social media account? It's just a bad waste of your time. So I'll click Inbox, go back to Promotions, and you could see here pretty soon. There we go. They're all gone. Okay? They're all gone. And that's how you do it. That's how you can get. Now, anytime they send something in the future to you, then you don't have to deal with it. It's no longer an issue. It's something that you don't have to deal with anymore. Okay, this is Max with A1 Website Pro. I hope you appreciated this video. Hey, in the future, I'm not doing any stupid YouTube introductions or anything like that. I'm so sick of it. I'm on a protest. I'm on a rampage because I'm sick of the video intros. Every video that I watch on YouTube, I fast forward at least a minute to a minute and a half so I could get to the meat of things because I'm sick and tired of people wasting my time. I don't know how you feel about it. If you feel the same way I do, please mention something in the comment below because I'm making a dedication to you guys that I'm not going to pollute your time with needless, bogus information just to try to get me, more watch time on YouTube. Screw that. All right, love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.